This is my new bike check. Here it is. I just got the nitrous single shot cassette wheel. I forget the name of the peg. I got it on the front too. Haro pedals, recycled, stock cranks, Eastern Medusa sprocket V2, Bates seat, red and black. It looks pink right now, but the whole bike's actually red. The Alfred seat clamp. Actually, I'm gonna turn off the light, see if it works a little bit better. There we go. Now it looks more red, but it's not the full. It's darker than this. DK Cyclone frame, DK fork, nitrous single shot cassette front, nitrous single shot front wheel, nitrous OG bars, Eastern choker, headset. It's actually a mod. I took the old one that the back worked from my old Eastern stem, and I took where the front worked because they both had the opposite problem. And then Animal Edwin grips, and I cut the flanges off. KMC drop buster chain, mechanic half link chain. I just got rid of my drop buster. Kenda contact tires, front and rear, 2.25. So it's my bike check. Thanks for watching.